I didn't much actually care about her. I was friends with everyone back then. Well, Alex. Delete bushes, delete bushes. Alex, why are you tweaking? No, I ain't tweaking. Alex, one more thing. This is not over yet. We gotta save the back rooms again, remember? Wait, but we already done it. Wait. Back. Hey, backroom security. AI. Hey, backroom AI. Is backroom secure and peace? Yes, it's peace. You guys just let me go. Yesterday, after defeating Steven. Oh yeah, I forgot. Never mind, Alex, let's go. Yeah, man, let's go. It's kinda getting boring. Teleport. The end.